Hello, happy April, everybody. So this week we're going to be finishing up our unit over World War I. So we're going to have one main assignment and then give you time to review, catch up on any missing work from this unit, and get ready for the test that will be on next Friday. So our one assignment for this week, if you scroll down, so this is what your module should look like at this point. You have one final assignment under activities for the unit. It's World War I propaganda. And so when you open it up, it says, hey, you're going to make a copy of this assignment. You're going to watch the videos, answer the questions, and then you're going to turn it in. So when you make a copy of the assignment, sorry for the scrolling, it looks like this at the top. There's going to be two videos that we created. So video 1, it looks like this. You're just going to push play. It's going to run you through the idea of what propaganda is and the use of it during this time. You are going to answer these questions. You can just click, and fill it in as you go. If you want to use a different font or color or something, that's totally up to you, but I just need you to type in the responses. For instance, right here, it says list 4 reasons. So to get all your points, I do need 4 reasons. 3 reasons why they would use posters in World War I. So it kind of leads you through the video. If you want to pull it up side by side and watch and answer at the same time, you can open 2 windows. You're more than welcome to do that. Then here's video 2. When you open it up, it's going to give you World War I examples of printed propaganda, and then it's also going to put them next to modern examples, something that we may see closer to today. And so then you're going to have just 2 questions after viewing that video. So that is your one main assignment for the week, is to finish up everything from this unit, any past assignments. I would check PowerSchool. I try to keep grading caught up. If you see a major issue, please let me know, something that maybe I haven't noticed. And then you're going to do this one propaganda assignment. Once again, it is under activities. It's the very last one listed under activities. If you notice, there is no test for the unit yet. It will be up on Friday, so it most likely will not show up under that. If I do go ahead and put it up there, it won't be available to access until Friday at that point. Also up here, just a reminder, I do always include resources for the unit. So there is the textbook pages that if you were in class and you had the actual textbook, the slideshow that I used for the notes, that you should already have completed notes. If you haven't turned those in to Mrs. Williams yet, please do so. So after the test, wait, if you want to wait till after the test, or if you've already given them to her, you can ask for them back to study for the test. But if you haven't turned them in, or you want to go ahead and turn them in, but I will be giving you credit for those after this unit is over. Sorry if that was kind of confusing. Also, test review. So when you open up test review, it's going to be the GimKit for the test review to let you play that. So it kind of looks, let's see if I can do this. Over here, it should let you play if you push play. I may try to reconnect that so it automatically just starts playing. So I may go in and do that here in a minute. It might make it a little easier. I didn't realize it wouldn't automatically start. Most of the time they do. So those are your main things for the week. Make sure everything is done, created for the unit that needs to be created, like the 1-pager. Turn everything in. Let me know if you have any questions. But one major assignment left, propaganda. Study for the test, go over everything, and the test will be Friday. Thank you.